I am a source, and my energy is everything. So again, my name is Algernon Hall. I'm the owner and founder of Jubilee Children's Entertainment. Established in 2008. I've been in this business for 16 years. Just in July, we were recognized by NBC, Fox, and CBS News as the #1 SEL program in the nation, pre-K through 12. Provide programming not only for pre-K through 12, but also professional development, parent engagements, and I just recently got onto the college scene. I'm on assignment today to speak to you, to empower you, to encourage you, to inspire you, because there's babies in this school that need you. Your families need you. Like, it's all about being better. So when we talk about mindfulness, mindfulness is a state of achieved by focusing. No, forget that. That's the scientific definition, but mindfulness is really understanding how the environment is affecting us. But check this out, I'm gonna put a spin on it. How are you affecting the environment? How the environment is affecting us, but how are you affecting the environment? Because we got situations and circumstances, we got challenges, we got adversities.
So Al Hall came to our school. We definitely appreciated it. Everything he said was truthful about being mindful, being intentional about our health, and just kind of bringing the energy to our school. And I think it was a great reminder that the way we start our day is the way we're gonna finish our day, bring through the day. So it was definitely well appreciated. I know our teachers loved it. I know our principal loved it. And it was just a great opportunity to kind of hit that reset button and refresh. So I would definitely recommend Mr. Hall to any school out there to definitely receive that motivation, receive the energy that he brings.